Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Depending on the age and model of your car, you may be able to program a replacement yourself. The procedure for do-it-yourself key fob programming can vary. Some automakers provide instructions in their owner's manuals. Information can be found in many cases on the internet.
Let's help you make your mark.
You don't need to go to a dealership to have your fob programmed, but a professional locksmith is required if the original is not available. Absolutely, that doesn't need a locksmith at all. Dealership store can program it for free. You absolutely can.
Take our lead.
Turn your key to the on position, but don't start the engine. For 4 to 10 seconds, press and hold both the unlock button and the panic button simultaneously. Release both buttons, and listen for a chime. Press and release the unlock button on any other remotes you want to add within 30 seconds of hearing the chime.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.